I've been a finance world person throughout my 16 years of experience in the corporate banking with various MNC banks. So always wanted to be a part of startup. While I couldn't start one, I think I accidentally got this opportunity at KaleidoFin and I was quite excited. Marketing, business development and corporate has been my forte. I mean, that's something which I love, relationship, anything other than the desk job is something which I love. In the first meeting itself when I met the co-founders, I think there was a lot of passion. And somewhere down the line, I think eventually when I want to quit a job and do something, I want to do something for the society. I think this kind of had both the factors clubbed into it. I always tell this to a lot of people who ask me, what is that you love about the organization is the openness. The communication, whatever as an organization we want to do has been very clear from top down. I'm part of everything, we are involved, all our ideas are taken into consideration despite whatever the level of experience we are in. I think this whole openness and no hierarchy approach, the flat organization structure, they really mean it. It's quite fun, culturally very fun-loving organization. A lot of humor gets involved in, when we do the business, and that is shown in the result. We are able to achieve. When we have to achieve, we achieve. When we have to have fun, we have fun. Okay, we are going to put you on video.
Be here today.
My husband went through a critical heart problem, and I had to take off for 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. I don't think even one day I was disturbed. The day they were like all from Puneet to Sucharita to entire team was continuously on calls just to ensure, motivate me. Very small thing from that perspective, but I think the way they didn't pressurize you and how they kind of accepted me when I came back, and from there to today promotion within 1 year was something, it's only because of their support. I think the fact that 1 year, 1.5 years with COVID has been very challenging, and despite that they were able to see the contribution that I have given, they were able to kind of evaluate well, and despite the startup they kind of met the monetary aspect and the non-monetary aspect by way of a promotion. I think the call came to me at a little late in the evening as a casual conversation and where this was communicated, and I was like literally overjoyed. I mean, this was one of the best promotions in my entire life. The way it came and the way it was communicated, it felt very nice.